Hi, Michael here from Radio Alchemy, and today we're going to show you how to download the basic software that you need to do shoutcasting on Radio Alchemy. And the first program that we're going to be downloading is from the mix.org, M-I-X-X-X. Go to the downloaded section. It's important that you know how many bits your computer is running, so no matter what type of Windows you have, you're basically going into your system to find out that you have either a 32 or a 64-bit operating system. Accordingly, you download the correct bit mix for Windows and you save that file. Now, one of the things that you're going to need to do after you extract that folder is decide where you're going to place the mix. By default, it will put it into a programs folder. Agree to all of this, install. For anyone on the computer, you can decide which of these you want. I'm going to get rid of all these for right now. As you can see, it's going to place it by default into the C: program files under a mix folder, and I would do the install at that point and it will install it. I'm going to quit this for right now and go right ahead to where it has now inserted the mix under program files. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so that is in our C drive program files under the mix. The next thing that we're going to need is the encoder. What the encoder does basically, it changes your analog into digital and also allows you to stream the MP3s properly. So when we extract that folder, we see the first file there is called a libmp3lame.dll. What I'm going to do, and this is very important for you Windows users because it has to integrate with the mix program. We're going to slide this folder over into this file, this folder basically. And when we get it there, we need to rename it. Very important again. So get this exactly correct. This is the one thing that does need to be correct, and it is called LAME_ENC.DLL. Once we get that in the same folder that our mix program is there, it's the executable program basically, and when we start that program, it will now function. It looks for your music library. That's the next step that you're going to be doing. We're going to do that on a separate video to show you how to organize your music library and so forth. But in the meantime, you certainly feel free to designate the folder where you keep the majority of your music. It does have to be in either MP3 format or WAV files for Windows 7. Okay? And that's it for today. Thank you.